guys. Yeah. So yeah. As you can see, I'm in my dog's house. Yeah. But yeah, that's the roof. But there's something new. There's stairs. Yeah, stairs. Now let's go up them and see what's up. Ow. Ow. Oh my god. Okay, let's get through this. We're up here, it's orange. And I got two little cats. Two little cats. They're so cute, right? I have no clue what I'm gonna name them, but they are twins. I accidentally stopped recording my voice there. Oh my goodness, I keep accidentally stopping recording my voice. But anyways,